So right here from FitBeast, I have the Stress Ball Stress Relief Kit. My wife actually took the orange egg with her today, so I'm going to be reviewing the rest of these, but it does come with 6. I love how this comes with the manual and shows you all the different workouts that you can do with this. This kit is also going to come with a really nice portable mesh bag, so you can keep everything nice and organized and together. So with these balls, it's going to be made with a gel material on the inside, and each one of these colors is actually going to have a different strength to it. This is going to be the very soft one, and we also have the medium and then the hard as well. So if you are using these balls for rehabilitation or therapy, then you can work your way up from the soft to the hard and then really like strengthen your hand back to normal. So usually if you have like a break in your hand, like you can see I have a scar here, I have had to rehabilitate my hand before, and I used something like this in the past. I do like how these egg ones are going to be smaller, so depending if you have a bigger hand or not, these are awesome if you're just using these for your desk as like a stress ball and just squeeze this at work. I would definitely keep one of these at my office desk and just squeeze it whenever I'm feeling a little bit stressed and just want to calm down just a little bit. But this soft one is really nice, and then you also get these two over here, but you can definitely feel that this one is harder. It's not too hard, but if you are doing rehab, it's definitely going to strengthen your hand back to normal. These balls can actually relieve some arthritis pain as well. If you do have like joint pain or any kind of stiffness, I would probably recommend, if you do have like a grandmother or anything, I'd probably recommend using these small ones because it's going to fit in their hand a lot better, and they can kind of just work it around because it is shaped like a small egg. Definitely going to be perfect. It has a really silky material on the outside, which just makes this really soft and comfortable in the hand. So if you're looking for something that can help relieve stress, arthritis pain, or joint pain, or a little bit of rehab and therapy, these are going to be absolutely perfect for you. I highly recommend them. I love them, and I'm going to be using these every single day. Add these to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.